Hey buddy, so I understand you're ready to start trading in the stock market and you want to be able to do most of it on the go using your mobile phone. But you're brand new to trading and basically have no clue what you're doing or even where to begin. Don't worry about that. We're going to take this step by step. And step one is finding you a broker. So in today's video, I'm going to sift through the plethora of brokers out there. And by the end of this video, I'll share with you what I think would be the best broker to use if I were starting out as a rookie trader, looking to do most of my trading on my smartphone. And if you want to learn more about trading in the stock market, be sure to hit that little subscribe button down below and tap the notification bell so you get alerted as soon as the next video in this series airs. Well, let's get to it. Let's find you a broker that you can use to reach your trading goals. Since brokerages and platforms typically go hand in hand with each other, we're going to take a look at both of them together as one package. And in case you were wondering, a broker is basically a middleman to aid you in buying and selling stocks. The platform is the software that you'll use to actually read the charts and place your orders. Let's take a look at the brokerage first. When we're looking for a broker, there's really only two must-haves. So the first is $0 commissions. With pretty much every major player in the brokerage game offering $0 commissions, there's really no reason to pay commissions to trade. So if you charge commissions, you're out of there. The second is $0 platforms. Some brokers do charge monthly fees to use their trading platforms. Some do not. For this video, we'll focus primarily on brokers who offer free platform use. Those are the two criteria that we're looking for in a brokerage. Next, we'll take a look at the platforms. As with the brokerage itself, I have two simple criteria for mobile platforms as well. First, they must offer the ability to add moving averages to the charts, and we need to be able to add at least 3 different moving averages, the 20 moving average, the 50 moving average, and the 200 moving average. And look, it's okay if you have no idea what 20, 50, and 200 moving averages are. We will discuss moving averages in detail in a later video. The second criteria that's a must-have for the trading platform is drawings. It's actually super helpful to be able to draw lines on the charts. It can literally mean the difference between buying a stock at the perfect time and missing the boat altogether. So let's take a look at some different brokerages and see which ones match the criteria that we've just gone over. And the first on the list is Ally Invest. So while Ally does offer $0 commissions and free use of their trading software, they only allow you to add 1 indicator to the charts on their mobile platform, and they don't offer drawings as an option at all. So sorry, Ally, I love you as a bank, but your mobile software is just not up to the challenge. Ally, dismissed. The next broker on the list is Interactive Brokers. So Interactive Brokers does offer a $0 commission option and also offers up free use of their mobile trading platform. The platform does offer the use of all 3 moving average indicators that we need, but then they trip up and don't allow us to draw on their charts. So close, IB, so close. The next candidate is Robinhood. And Robinhood is big because they led the $0 commission revolution back when all the other brokers were charging a commission for every order you placed. And yes, you can use their platform for free. Though Robinhood has had tremendous growth, their mobile platform has not been able to keep up. There's no indicators, there's no drawings. The charting system is just way too basic. Robinhood's trading platform is, unfortunately, the Cleveland Browns of trading. Go Niners. So that brings us to E-Trade. So I cannot say enough good things about E-Trade as a brokerage. They are my primary broker that I execute 99% of my trades on. And on top of that, their platform checks all the boxes, allowing us tons of indicators and the ability to draw on the charts of their mobile platform. And of course, they offer $0 commissions. Drawback though, the E-Trade Pro platform is only free-ish. It's free to use if you have at least $25,000 in your trading account, but short of that, you'll likely have to pay a monthly fee to use the E-Trade Pro platform. So close, but again, Another swing and a miss. So we'll move on to the next one, which is TD Ameritrade. So TD Ameritrade also offers $0 commissions. Their very, very popular trading platform is called Thinkorswim, and it is extremely robust and again checks all of the necessary boxes for the criteria that we're looking for and more. So my pick, if I were just starting out in trading, would be TD Ameritrade. And it's free to open a new account, and at least when I signed up, you didn't even have to make a deposit in order to open an account. So if you are interested in my suggestion and you feel it's right for you, head on over to tdameritrade.com and open a new account, and then download their mobile app, which is called Thinkorswim. Then let me know what you think of it in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video and got anything useful out of it, tap that little thumbs up button down there, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Good.
It's a wrap.
Oh, this is messing my eyes up. Not on the screen, but how far away it is.
Good? Good enough, or does it need a retake?
Let me see. Retake.
Okay. Hi! Good morning, everybody! This is just shit for the blooper reels, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, buddy! Yay! On your smartphone. On my smartphone. On your smartphone! And look, if you want to learn more about trading in the stock if you learn more about trading in the stock market, don't listen to me. Listen to somebody who knows how to talk. If you want to learn more about trading in the smart and subscribe button down below and tap that notification bell next to it so you get, it's not next to it, is it? Why did I say next to it? Then as soon as and in case you were wondering, a broker is actually, let me clap it in. Cut player in the brokerage game. The first, pretty much every major player in the brokerage game, the first is $0 commissions with pretty much every major broker. $0 platforms. Some brokers, that was terrible. The first is going to be $0 commissions. Oh, farts. Criteria is shit. The second criteria is to be able to speak. Don't be a baby.
They poop.
Those are both what we're looking for. The blah blah blah. So IB does offer $0. Damn it. Robinhood's trading platform is unfortunately the Cleveland Browns of trading. Burn. Go 49ers.
Ah.
Top of that, their platform checks all the blah blah. Blah 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 blah.
I can translate all that, you know.
The E-Trade Pro platform is only free-ish. One drawback though, the E-Trade Pro platform